has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Champaign County, Franklin County, Ohio, Delaware County, eastern Clark County, northern Madison County, Union County, Ohio, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:26 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles west of Richwood to near Marysville to near South Charleston, moving east at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbus, Springfield, Dublin, Westerville, Grove City, Delaware, Upper Arlington, Gahanna, Hilliard, Marysville, Worthington, Bexley, London, Jefferson, Powell, Sunbury, Plain City, West Jefferson, Richwood, and Mechanicsburg. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 58 and 105. I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 100 and 138. Here is Southern Richland County in north central. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Richland County, southern Ashland County, eastern Morrow County, Knox County, until 6:45 p.m. At 6:06 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Lexington to near Sparta, moving southeast at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mansfield, Ashland, Mount Vernon, Ontario, Lexington, Loudonville, Fredericktown, Gambier, Utica, Belleville, Centerburg, Danville, Hayesville, Chesterville, Sparta, Waterford, Butler, Perrysville, Lucas, and Jeromesville. Now for the National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Franklin County, Ohio, southeastern Delaware County, Licking County, until 7 p.m. At 6:11 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Sunbury to near Westerville to Minerva Park, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbus, Newark, Westerville, Gahanna, Worthington, Heath, Grahamville, Pawhuskalaw, Johnstown, Sunbury, Utica, Minerva Park, Hanover, Grandville South, Martin, New Albany, Jersey, Galena, Alexandria, and Hartford. This includes I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 116 and 120. Now for the National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Coshocton County, northern Muskingum County, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:42 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Utica, or 9 miles north of Newark, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles an hour and quarter-size hail. Source, radar. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Zanesville, Coshocton, West Lafayette, North Zanesville, Dresden, Fredericksburg, Warsaw, Pleasant Grove, Conesville, Nellie, Norwich, Bridgeville. This includes Interstate 70 in Ohio between mile markers 157 and 167. Now for the official